Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video is all about the exercises that actually helped me with the disc bulge. And when I first shared my story in the YouTube, many of you have asked me with the exercises and the exact routine that actually worked, and here we are. When I first did the MRI scan, I had no idea that I had a disc bulge or anything about the disc bulge until I consulted Dr. Smriti. She explained me everything in detail, and she also showed me how disc bulge is affecting my body. So I went through like 10 days of physio, and also I learned these exercises under the guidance of Dr. Smriti in Sri Krishna Physiotherapy Centers. These exercises, along with strengthening my back and helped me staying healthy, it also helped me to reduce a lot of pain. So in the initial days, I used to perform these exercises like 3 times a day, and gradually when a lot of pain reduced to me, then I reduced it to 1 time a day. I have linked Dr. Smriti's YouTube channel and also her physiotherapy center, Sri Krishna Physiotherapy Center, in the description below, that you can go and check for more exercises and the detail. And here, this is not a promotion or a sponsorship video for me. I'm just telling what actually helped me. And let's get into the exercises which made all the differences.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3 times. 1 ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಈ ತರ 3 times. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂಡಿ ಮಡಚದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತನಕ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ತು. ಹೀಗೆ 1 2 3 4 5 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ 1 2 3 4 5 ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಲೆಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು. 1 2 3 4 5 ತಿರ್ಗಾ 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is 1. We'll do this 10 times. Next, ಒಂದು ಮಂಡಿ ಮಡಚು, ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎದೆ ತನಕ ತಗೋ, ತಲೆ ಎತ್ಬೇಡ. ಆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಡಚು, ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡು, ಮಂಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್. 1 2 3 4 5 down. Same thing with your opposite leg. 1 2 3 4 5 down. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಂಟು 10 times. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಮಂಡಿ ಮಡಚು. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡಿ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 down. Okay, this is your 4th exercise. 5th exercise is ಎರಡು ಮಂಡಿ ಮಡಚು, ಕೈ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಊರು, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 down. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೈ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡು, ಹೀಗೆ ತಲೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ, ಕಾಲು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, you'll find that twist in your back. 1 2 3 4 5 neutral, ತಿರ್ಗು opposite. 1 2 3 4 5 neutral. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನೀ, ಹೀಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊ, ತಲೆನೆಲ್ಲ. 1 2 3 4 5 neutral. Change. 1 2 3 4 5 neutral. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡು.